What is memory allocation? It's a process by which computer programs and services are assigned with physical and virtual memory space. In Java, programs and services are allocated to virtual memory space. The Java virtual machine divides the memory into stack and heap. Stack is used to store objects, while heap is used to store primitive and variables that store reference on the heap. Give example on memory allocation. Now let me create a class, Java class memory demo. In this class, let's have a single variable string name, and let's generate a getter and setter for this variable. Now that we have this class, we will use this class to show example in our main class. Memory demo. Let's create an object memory demo equal to new memory demo. Now that we have created this object, we can also replace this with var keyword. Java will use this right hand side to know that this memory demo is this variable is a memory demo object without writing the full memory demo here. Okay, now about the stack and heap. If Java execute this right hand side, it will store this object memory demo object on the heap, and then it will evaluate this and store the address of memory demo on stack. Now that we will have this variable reference our memory demo object in the heap, that is why it is called reference type. Okay, now let's have some example. Let's have another variable memory demo 1, different variable equal to this memory demo. Now we have two variable referencing our object on the heap. Now we have one object on the heap and have two variable referencing this object. Now let's have some example and see. Now if we create, now if we set name John, we have now set John. Now let me try printing the name John with both this variable and this one to show that all these variables reference the same object. Let's have SOUT top a print statement, and let me duplicate this because we are using both the two variables to print this name. Memory demo dot get name, and here we should have memory demo 1 dot get name. Okay, let's print this one. Okay, here we have John for this memory demo and John for this one. Now it shows that it references the same object in the heap. Now let me create, here the case is different because we have two different objects stored in the heap. Okay, we have this memory demo and two references variable referencing this different memory demo object. Now let me try printing this and see what we will get. Okay, here we have John, and for this memory demo one, now it shows that null. Now that shows exactly that we have two different objects. We will not have this, we will have this as null unless if we set the memory demo one, we set name to this variable. But as long as this memory demo one is equal to memory demo as we did before, it will show us the same name. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe our channel.